What Couposts offers is a cheaper, faster, and automated process. Basically what happened is I started noticing that my wife and I and our friends would go see certain movies or go try different restaurants or go on certain dates because we'd seen one of our friends post about it on social media. We interviewed a bunch of businesses and talked to them about what their pains were and stuff, and they said that they pay influencers, but they go through a thing that we've kind of termed as the influencer process. That process is extremely time consuming for businesses, and it's a big pain point, and a lot of them have had lots of issues with it, so much so that many businesses that we've talked to have hired somebody that is specifically, their job is just to do that influencer process, to find, negotiate, contact, verify that their followers are real, just go through that whole process. So our users, who are just regular people, post about companies in return for special deals or coupons to their store or website. And this allows businesses to market to friends and family and not followers.
If I see a deal, let's say, for example, there's a company that I like that's giving a buy one get one free on a breakfast sandwich or something, I'd post to my Instagram story to get a free sandwich out of that. So we want it to be valuable for the users, something that they would want to post about if they like a company, but also valuable to the businesses to be able to market to friends and family.
We've run 2 betas so far, and we've had 49 businesses sign up. It took us a long time to get Couposts up and running because we were scared of failing, scared of what people would think about us for releasing a product that was not up to yeah. But we ended up just being hey, we need to test this out. We need to figure out if it's going to work. And so our very first beta test crashed and burned within a couple 10-20 minutes. And we had all these people signed up for all of our friends and family, and it was embarrassing. But coming out of that, we had 3 or 4 pages of written notes of things that we did wrong. And then after that, we just started getting better and better and figuring out what we had to do. Just go for it. Don't be afraid. Be smart. Don't spend, don't waste your money on anything. Find ways to test things for free, but don't be afraid of what people are going to think of you.